In this lecture, we'll see how to connect a NodeMCU board and also flash it with a MicroPython image. You can just connect your NodeMCU board USB to a micro USB connector and to PC as shown in the figures. Or you can, to make it comfortable, you can tie it to a breadboard also. Now go to Device Manager, and you can observe that for the first time when you have connected, you'll be missing the driver for CP2102 USB to UART bridge. As I said, the NodeMCU has a USB to UART converter for which you require a driver to be installed in a PC to access it. So in order to get it, just Google CP210 drivers. The very first link will land you into the drivers page. You can go to the download section, and depending upon your OS, you can select one. I have already downloaded one. I would just extract it, and mine is a 64-bit computer, so I'll try to install it. Next. Yeah, I am done. Finish. Now you can check your device manager. You will identify the device being detected, and it's been given a COM name COM3. Please note that this will be important to access the device. Now one more application what we need is called putty. This is a serial terminal which can be used to logging into the device. Apart from that putty, we also have some terminals like TerraTerm and some other. Especially for Mac users, you have some alternate links. This particular one, PBX book, will provide you multiple serial applications for Mac OS. In my case, I will be using putty. I shall download putty, go to the download section directly and download it from there. For 64-bit one, I shall install the 64-bit. I have already downloaded one. I shall install it. Next, it will be residing in the C program files putty folder. Install it. I am finished. Let me find the application. It is present in C program files. Now let me just launch it. You will see a terminal like this, where you can add your configurations. I shall pin it to a taskbar so that I don't need to again and again search for it. You can select serial, and serial line is the COM device name. In my case, it is COM3. To check yours, go to your device manager and identify NodeMCU. And the speed is, or the baud rate is 115200. I can just save this configuration with a name, and every time you don't need to enter the configurations. Now I see some prompt. Nothing is been displayed. Even if I press my reset button, nothing is been displayed. So there is a problem with it because I have a code previously which is running. Now I need to flash my NodeMCU with a new image, with a new MicroPython image. Now I am very new to MicroPython. The MicroPython is not there in my NodeMCU board. I'll just go to NodeMCUFlasher GitHub page, where I will find Win64 release. Go to it. Go to ESP8266Flasher. Download it. I have already downloaded one. I'll just try to install it. You'll see interface like this. COM3 is the actually only device available. It's already selected. Now go to config tab. This is the actual default NodeMCU or MicroPython image. Now I shall go to the gear button. Now I have to flash an ESP8266 MicroPython image. I already have one, but how did I get one? For which, just go to internet, search for micropython.org, This will land up you on the MicroPython homepage. Go to download and you will find different MicroPython images for different kinds of boards like PyBoard, YPy, ESP8266, etc. Now go to ESP8266 firmware, download the latest image, which is 1.9.4 till the date. Now this is the same image I already have. Now open NodeMCUFlasher, click on gear button, select your NodeMCU MicroPython image and click on flash to respective COM device. Now you can see when NodeMCU is being flashed, the PCB antenna near to which an LED is there. This will be blinking when the flash process is going on. I am done. My flash process is done. Let me open PuTTY and NodeMCU. Load the settings COM3 and 1152. Check they are proper. Open the device. Yeah. Now you see the REPL prompt. I'll just try to print something with MicroPython scripting. Print hello. We'll see what happens. Yeah, this follows the scripting of guidelines of MicroPython 3. So better you place a brace. Yeah, now I'm able to print hello. I think this explains you how to flash the NodeMCU with latest MicroPython image. In the coming lecture, we'll see another way to flash your NodeMCU with the latest MicroPython image. Stay tuned. Thanks.